Hi everyone. I just wanted to let you know that tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. On my channel and 16 other channels, we are going to be doing the Heart of a Crafter's collaboration. If you would like to join us, and all of the girls that are in it will be listed in the description box below on tomorrow's video. So hope to see everybody there. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, see you tomorrow at noon. We'll be live, and we're going to be working on a Valentine subject. Make sure you check your groups for it. You need a bingo card. You need an old or a picture image of any kind, like an old picture or an old card or whatever. You need a heart, and you need piano paper. That's 4 things that you need. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.